Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to continue one more problem which is based on property number 2 of definite integral. Let us start with problem number 7. Integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. Let us consider this given integral as I. In the previous video, I have said that if we have tan x or cot x, we need to write it as sin x upon cos x or cos x upon sin x. But in this case, you can see we don't have a denominator. Therefore, here there is no need to convert tan x in terms of sin and cos. We can directly use the property as integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. We have replaced x as upper limit pi by 4 minus x. You can mention the property as integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. In the next step, you can expand this tan of pi by 4 minus x using the formula tan of a minus b. Now what is tan of a minus b? It is tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. Let us write that formula first. Here you can see the value of a is pi by 4 and the value of b is x. Therefore, we have integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Now we know that the value of tan pi by 4, that is tan 45 degree, is equal to 1. So let us substitute tan pi by 4 as 1. This will give you log of 1 plus 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. Now let us solve these two fractions. This will give you integral 0 to pi by 4. 1 into 1 plus tan x will give you 1 plus tan x, followed by a plus sign. 1 minus tan x into 1 will be 1 minus tan x, divided by 1 into 1 plus tan x is 1 plus tan x. In the numerator, plus tan x and minus tan x will be cancelled, and 1 plus 1 will give you 2. Now here you can use the formula of log a by b, that is equal to log a minus log b. Therefore we have integral 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus log of 1 plus tan x dx. As log of a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Further, we can separate the integral to both the terms. On separating, we have integral 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dx minus integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. Now as you can see from the first part, log 2 is a constant which can be taken outside the integral. But in the second part, this is our original sum, that is I. You can see log of 1 plus tan x. Log of 1 plus tan x, we have already considered it as I. So we will replace this integral with I. Next, we can take minus I on the left hand side. That will give you I plus I, and take log 2 constant outside the integral. That will give you log 2 integral 0 to pi by 4 dx. This will give you 2i is equal to log 2 into x within limit 0 to pi by 4. On solving upper limit and lower limit, we have pi by 4 minus 0, that is pi by 4. This 2 will be multiplied with 4 and I will be pi by 8 log 2. This is our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.